Personal growth refers to the process of becoming a better version of oneself by developing new skills, gaining knowledge, and improving one's character. It is a key component of personal development because it allows individuals to improve their overall well-being and reach their full potential. Personal growth can be achieved through a variety of means, such as learning new skills, gaining knowledge, and developing positive habits. For example, taking a course, reading books, or practicing a new skill can all contribute to personal growth. Additionally, developing positive habits such as exercising, meditating, and journaling can also lead to personal growth. Personal growth also includes self-discovery and self-awareness. By understanding oneself, one's beliefs, values, and motivations, individuals can identify areas of improvement and set goals to work towards personal growth. Moreover, personal growth is a continuous process. As individuals gain new experiences and learn from them, they continue to grow and change. This process of personal growth helps individuals to become more resilient and adaptable to changes in life. In addition, personal growth can lead to increased self-esteem and confidence, better relationships, improved problem-solving skills, and overall greater satisfaction with life. Therefore, personal growth is a vital part of personal development as it enables individuals to improve their overall well-being and reach their full potential. It helps individuals to become the best version of themselves, to reach their goals and to live a more fulfilling life.